This is the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Earth, which looks nothing like the photos. Before we talk about this sneaker and go over a review, I want to tell you guys about the giveaway going on the channel. If you love sneakers and you love giveaways, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below because we do have a giveaway going on for the Jordan 6 DMP. These are brand new size 11, and these do not release for like another almost 2 months. April 4th is the release date as of now, so I will be giving these away about a week before. I will be picking the winner and announcing the winner on my Instagram stories. To enter the giveaway for the Jordan 6 DMP, all you need to do is hit that subscribe button down below, hit that post notification bell, turn on all notifications, smash that like button, comment down below done when you've done everything. For a bonus entry, you can follow me on Instagram and Twitter if you have both, and when you're on my Instagram, send me a DM with screenshots with proof that you did everything to enter the giveaway. Now let's get into the sponsor of today's video. I want to tell you guys real quick about this group that I recently joined called Steady Soles. Steady Soles helps you cop really hyped limited sneaker releases for retail. They have exclusive release info, monitors, early releases, resale predictions, monitors to help you know what sneakers are coming out. They charge $25 a month, which is honestly a really good price, and if you do cop just one hype release in a month, you will make that money back to cover the cost of the group and even more. So it is totally worth it. I'm going to leave their link and everything you guys need to know down below in the description. If you're interested in joining Steady Soles, check out SteadySoles.com, hit the subscribe button, and use the password exclusive access. And don't miss this great opportunity to start making some extra cash today. So make sure you guys check out that link down below in the description. This group is absolutely fire. Thank you to Steady Soles for sponsoring this video. Before we talk about the Yeezy 350 V2 Earth, I do have a quick unboxing here that I want to show you guys and share with you guys. So this package is from C Vlogs. He is a smaller YouTuber. He's a really good guy. He does sneaker content and vlogging content, thrift pickup videos, and he actually owns his own shop now, which is absolutely crazy. So shout out to you, bro, for that. He went over and sent me out this Funko Pop for completely free, which is just mind-blowing and crazy. And you can see at the top, he does have subscribe to C Vlogs on the top of the box. So that's really dope. But yeah, man, I'm very, very happy. Shout out to you, C Vlogs. Thank you, bro, so much for sending this over. I watched his video, and he picked up a bunch of them from Walmart, and I hit him up. I said, bro, how much? And he basically told me, don't worry, send them the address, and it's on him. So shout out to you, bro. Thank you so much for this Michael Jordan Funko Pop. I am a Jordan Funko Pop collector. I do have pretty much all of them. I think I'm missing 2 more as of right now, which are the UNC Funko Pops. I do need to get those, but this right here is the Walmart exclusive Michael Jordan UNC North Carolina Funko Pop. So this is very dope, very, very fire. One of my favorite Michael Jordan Funko Pops, and definitely a must-have. So, once again, shout out to C Vlogs. Thank you, bro, for sending this over. Make sure you guys go ahead and check him out here on YouTube. I'll leave his channel down below in the description. So, this is the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Earth. And as you guys can see, these look nothing like the photos. Nothing at all like the pictures. The pictures from Adidas, the pictures from on Yeezy Supply, pictures from everywhere. Yeezy Mafia. These look nothing like the mock-ups, which is crazy. I feel like this sneaker is a lot lighter in person and on video than it is in the pictures. And to be honest, I was kind of looking forward to the mock-ups because it did look all one solid color, which, as you can see, it's not. They're definitely a lot lighter on the prime knit in comparison to the midsole, which is a little darker, and then the translucent stripe is a little darker as well. And then the bottom, you do have that bright hit of yellow, which I'm not sure why we do have that hit of yellow, but it is there nonetheless. The outsole is a dark, I would say chocolate brown kind of color, which I do like. This Yeezy, in my opinion, is very underwhelming because I was looking forward to, like I said, a more darker Yeezy. The initial pictures did kind of show, I would say, the sock liner color being for the prime knit, which it's definitely not. It is a lighter brown tan kind of vibe to it. This is a regional exclusive Yeezy, so these only released in North America, I believe in the United States as well as Canada. So if you lived in, where I lived in the United States, you were able to get these. They were pretty limited, not too hard to grab though, as long as you put in the footwork. Attempted, I think you were pretty much good, but they did sell out pretty fast. and these were, like I said, the North American regional exclusive. We also had the Taillight release, which in my opinion is probably the best one, my favorite, as well as the Flax release. The Taillight 350s, the gray with the bright orange pull tab, I believe those released in Europe, and the Flax were the Asia exclusives. So we did get these regional exclusive Yeezys once again. These do remind me a lot of the clays. Obviously the clay is a lot brighter, like more of like a burnt orange, and this is more of a brown. Mostly one solid color going for it. I mean, obviously there's different shades of that brown, but I feel like it's mostly different shades because of the material used. So you do have prime knit, you got the laces, which are also, once again, a little bit different color in comparison to the upper, and then the brown midsole. The pull tab on the back, very nice touch, and you can see the outsole does have the dark chocolate brown hit right here, which does go into the bottom of the shoe. You do got your beautiful white boost, Adidas Yeezy branding on the insole. These are very dope. I do like them, however, I'm not crazy where this is definitely a must-have for me, because it's definitely not. But I do like the color. I think these are very easy to wear. I do recommend going up half a size in Yeezys, and as far as fit-wise, I feel like you can wear these with a lot of different outfits. I would definitely keep it clean, keep it subtle, keep it simple when rocking the Yeezy 350 V2 Earth. This is one of those earth tone colors, you know, just simple, toss it on, and you're good to go. So I think this was a very dope release, regional exclusive once again, which, hey, I'm here for it. Now, resale on these is doing what I figured it would do, right around 290 to 300, maybe 310. Of course, size does matter. I think that will go up over time, but that will definitely take some time to go up in price because there's just so many 350 V2s now. So I definitely think that these will go up in price because it is a regional exclusive. All the regional exclusives will eventually go up in price because they were pretty limited. So I think that this is a dope shoe. I wouldn't necessarily hold on to them. Not something I personally would do unless you have a smaller size. I think the smaller sizes will shoot up in price, but the bigger sizes right now, not so much. But definitely a dope 350 V2. Let me know what you guys think about the Earth colorway. Are these underwhelming for you like they are for me? Do these look anything like the photos in your opinion? Leave that comment down below, let me know. For me, yeah man, absolutely not. These look a lot different in video, in person especially right now, than they do in the photos. I'm like I said, I wish it looked more like the photos, and that's really it. But I am happy with the shoe. I definitely think it's a dope 350 V2. Let me know how the release went for you. Did you guys pick these up? Did you manage to cop a pair? Did you not pick up this pair because simply you don't live in the North America region of the world? Where do you live? Did you pick up the taillights, which I think are the best pair? Did you pick up the Flax, which I feel like is probably the least favorite of mine because it's so similar to the Butters and the Statics. It's in that colorway realm again. So this is something different, which I definitely am here for. It is a different colored Yeezy, so that has it going for it, and I'm very excited for more Yeezy releases in 2020, of course. So let me know what you guys think about these. Did you pick them up? Did you pass? Are you going to pay resale on them? Or are you just waiting for something different to drop in 2020? We will be getting a bunch more Yeezys, which I, of course, am here for. So let me know what you guys think about these. Make sure you guys do enter in the Jordan 6 DMP giveaway. Do not forget, I will be giving these away the week before the release on my Instagram stories, so make sure you guys go ahead and enter this giveaway. Check the description down below and you can enter to win the Jordan 6 DMP. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash that like button. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, be sure to turn on post notifications. Drop a comment down below, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. It really does help out the channel and helps go a long way. I'm honestly, a huge goal of mine is to hit 50K this year on YouTube. I think we can do it. I'm hoping that we can do it as long as I am consistent, upload more, and you guys continue to show your love and support. We will definitely do it. So with that being said, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire, straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.